Namaste. I thought I should greet you in Indian dress and in Indian culture. How I'm looking? Okay, it doesn't matter. As I promise you, I'll give you some of the answer of your questions. Here are a few. First of all, let's talk about this competition. E-kata demonstration. Isn't it suggesting something? Demonstration is very important part of any martial arts. When we are doing something for demonstration, jury has got nothing to do with it. Your mark card has the auditions. It's up to the audience how they are going to like your performance. But this is kata after all. We cannot put you totally on the audience hand. So there was a system 6 plus 4. You can maximum earn 6 points by technical committee and 4 points by the audience view, their likes. Another question, what is working committee and technical committee and what they are doing? Okay, there are two members in working committee, a cyber expert and social expert. Their work is checking the videos if they are appropriate, age and background, and of course dresses too. Technical committee giving you the point, there are 3 members in separate desk. They are giving you the point on your performance. You have to earn minimum 3 points to be your video posted. So if your video is already on the YouTube channel, that means you have earned minimum 3 points. We have got very nice response. Thank you so much. We received 322 videos from all over the world. But 19 videos were under the mark by the technical committee. So we are sorry that videos are not published on the YouTube channel. 68 videos rejected by the working committee, most of for the age proof. Coaches, we didn't send you randomly request to submit your valid age proof birth certificates. Working committee checking on, if they got suspect, they send the SMS, please provide the valid birth certificate. That was fair enough. Some of coaches did reply and they sent the valid certificate, so we posted them on. Some problem was background. The background was not clear or not appropriate. Some poor lighting, poor videography. So there was 87 students or kata videos rejected by the working committee and technical committee. As I told you, 19 technical committee and 68 working committee. Another question was a good one, of course. They were asking about the financial structure of this tournament. I was paying for everything, but as you concern that how you are going to get your medals, brooches, especially from overseas countries, I will send your brooches by parcel service, by overseas shipment. Of course, this is gonna be a little expensive venture. Maybe winners can pay for their courier charges. If they are not able, I am here. I will sponsor you. So nothing to worry about it. First of all, let the win this contest first. And still, you've got time. As I told you, you have earned minimum 3 point or maximum 6 point. 4 points is the rest of on the audience hand. You can achieve by winning their likes. So keep trying. You have got at least 10 days. We are going to count that likes on 5th September by 7 a.m. At the same day, we are going to declare the result. Thank you. Nice to talk to you.